So a lot of you out there maybe use other tools besides Rhino, obviously, for in the design process. So I want to move on now to building information modeling and the application of different programming languages, Python and R specifically, in the use in the building information modeling process, which is also very important in the design phase. And I'll call attention to an open source project called the Revit Python shell. This is actually a project developed by my good friend Darren Thomas at the ETH Zurich in Switzerland. And he has created an add-in or plugin for one of the most popular building information modeling software out there, Revit, Autodesk Revit. And this shell is the Revit Python shell means that you can use Python to access and manipulate the data model that's contained inside Revit, inside the building information modeling software Revit. You can this link here you see is once again in the Python, or sorry, in the platform called GitHub, and there's different ways you can install. There's different installers for each of the most recent versions of Revit. Once you have that installed, he has a bunch of tutorials for you to dive into how to use Python, but also how to use this Python shell and how to interact with it. So instead of me trying to make a tutorial for this, I will point you in the direction of a very nice tutorial that was made recently from a blogger who goes by That BIM Girl. And she is a civil engineer and sort of BIM enthusiast who has made a very nice set of videos, not just about the Revit Python shell, but about other BIM related tutorials and tech insights, fun things like that. So check out those links, and if you're interested in learning more about Python as applied to building information modeling, specifically Revit.